Hello, this is Alex Coles, Marketing Videographer at NICOR. Today, we're introducing you to the STW Wet Location LED Step Light. STW step lights provide an accent of a warm 3000 Kelvin natural glow to any residential or commercial space, while also increasing visibility and safety of places like stairways, patios, and more, for a lifetime rated for over 50,000 hours. Its diffuser creates a uniform light distribution which reduces glare and maximizes output. The fixture comes with a pre-installed gasket, making it approved for wet locations, both indoors and outdoors, and is created from antimicrobial powder coat paint to hinder most bacteria. The STW comes in either horizontal or vertical configurations in matte finishes of white, black, or bronze. Both versions are designed to have no visible hardware and install flush to the surface thanks to its slim driver. Installing the fixture is simple. The horizontal model is constructed for use in non-metallic 2x4 J boxes, while the vertical model can be used with both metallic and non-metallic 2x4 J boxes. It also comes with a mounting bracket to further simplify installation. With all these features, the STW offers a perfect accent light in addition of visibility for both indoor and outdoor spaces such as walkways, stairways, patios, and more. And that's everything to know about NICOR's new STW Wet Location LED Step Light. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for choosing NICOR.